Ladies and gentlemen, I want us to solve for the value of x in the following equation. That is 9 raised to power x plus 2 plus 5 times 9 raised to power x plus 1 equals to 14. As you can look at this equation, we want us to solve for the value of x. So the first step that we will take is that we can write 9 raised to power x times 9 raised to power 2, because according to the law of indices, if the bases are the same, then you add the powers. I have not changed anything in this 9 raised to power x plus 2. I have just said that 9 raised to power x plus, not plus, but 9 raised to power x times 9 raised to power 2 is just the same as 9 raised to power x plus 2. Because since the bases are the same, then you add the powers. Then I proceed plus 5 times 9 raised to power x times, because plus in indices you can multiply, because if the bases are the same and there is a multiplication sign in between, then it means you add the powers. So times 9 raised to power 1 equals to 14. As you can see, according to the law of indices, if you are multiplying two numbers with the same base, then you add the powers. You add the powers, that is x plus 2. This also applies to this one, that is 9 raised to power. This is 9 raised to power x plus 1. I have written as 9 raised to power x times 9 raised to power 1. So this is just the same as 9 raised to power x plus 1, because the bases are the same. When the bases are the same and a multiplication sign is in between, you add the powers. Now, the next step that I will take in this is to factor out 9 raised to power x into, when I factor out 9 raised to power x, I will remain with 9 squared here, plus 5, this 5 times, because I have factored out 9 raised to power x, I will have this 9 raised to power 1 is equals to 14. I have not changed anything. I have only factored out 9 raised to power x, because 9 raised to power x times 9 squared is just the same as this. Then 9 raised to power x times 5 times 9 raised to power 1 is just the same as the whole of this, is equals to 14. Then I will have 9 raised to power x into 9 squared is just 81, plus 5 times 9 raised to power 1. 9 raised to power 1 is 9, then times 5 is 45. So it's equals to 14. Then I have 9 raised to power x. I add 81 with 45. So if I add 81 plus 45, I will have 126. Is equals to 14. So then I divide by 126 here. I divide by 126 here. So I will have 9 raised to power x equals to 14 over 126. So 9 raised to power x is the same as, if I simplify 14 and 126, I will have 1 over 9, because 14 divided by 126, it will be 1 over 9. By 14, 1 by 14, 9. So I will have 1 over 9. Therefore, this is like 9 raised to power x is the same as 9 raised to power negative 1. 1 over 9 is just the same as 9 raised to power negative 1. Therefore, if the bases are the same, then the powers are the same. Therefore, the value of x is -1. You can proceed to prove that indeed x is -1 because if you fix, instead of x, you will have -1. So you will have 9 raised to power -1 plus 2 plus 5 times 9 raised to power -1 plus 1. So I will have 9 raised to power -1 plus 1, not -1 plus 1, but -1 plus 2 is 1. Then plus 5 times -1 plus 1 is 0. So I have 9 raised to power 0. Let us see whether we will get this 14 so that we can say that indeed x is -1. So 9 raised to power 1 is 9 plus 5 times 9 raised to power 0 is just 1. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. Therefore, we have 9 plus 5 times 1 is 5. Therefore, the answer is 14. Hence, we have proved that indeed the value of x is -1. So, how I wish that you could subscribe, like, share, and comment if you are watching this video. Because each and every time I will be updating some of the equations or some of the mathematical concepts that we will cover. Thank you all.